Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set equal column height in Elementor WordPress using custom selectors. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on screen you see column is not equal. So we are going to set column equal height. Now go to dashboard. Scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. And then in search plugin write premium add-ons for Elementor. So this is plugin premium add-ons for Elementor we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see premium add-ons for Elementor. So click on it. Now scroll down, you see global feature. So click on it and then you see equal height. So by default equal height enable. If equal height is not enabled, then enable this option. Now go to page, refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see we have title, text, image. Now go to page and now we are going to identify which element or widget caused this error. Now you see title is good, image height width is same. Now you see this text widget, single line, two line, again single line. So this text widget caused this error. So we are going to fix it. Now go to page. Now you see text widget, so click on it and then go to advanced and scroll down. You see CSS classes. So we are going to add CSS class. So we added CSS class column equal height. So you can add name according to your requirement. Now copy. Now you see widget. So click on it. Go to advanced. Now scroll down. Paste. Now same CSS classes added in all four widget. Now click on it, go to advanced, scroll down and then paste class, same class. So now this is our four column. So click on widget, text editor, go to advanced and then scroll down. You see CSS classes. Now paste. So we added same CSS class for all four widgets or element. So you can add name according to your requirement, but edit same name. So we added CSS class on this text editor widget because this text editor widget caused column height issue. Now you see edit section or edit container, so click on it and then on top you see advanced, so click on it. Now scroll down, you see equal height PA. PA means premium add-ons for Elementor. Now click on it. Now you see enable equal height, yes. And then you see apply on, drop down. Now select custom selector. Now you see selector field. So you can add multiple CSS class according to your requirement separated by comma. Now add dot and then paste. So this is class we added in all four Elementor widgets. Now you see enable equal height on. So you can disable enable according to your requirement. So I remove tablet, mobile. Now we only enable equal height on desktop, widescreen, laptop and then click on apply first. Now changes apply and then click on update. Now update done, go to website page. Now you see column height not equal. Now refresh the page. Now you see column height equal. By using custom selector, we added CSS class in all four text editor widget and then we enable option in advanced setting. If more than one widget or element cause this issue, then you can add two CSS class in custom selector section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.